Hello dear traders, you're watching the latest weekly review of Forex and stock markets with me, Anna Kasatkina. Last Friday, the US stock market demonstrated a strong rally and finished session in a green zone as Germany and China boosted the sentiment. Dow Jones Index lifted 1.4% to settle at 13,009.68 points, having added 3.4% for the week, the most noticeable result since the 8th of June. S&P 500 finished 1.3% higher at 1,409.15 points. Information technology sector turned to be the growth leader, while utilities sector deteriorated the most. At the end of the week, S&P 500 earned 3.6%. Nasdaq accumulated 1.4% and closed at 2,966.85 points. The weekly growth came in at 4%. Due to Thanksgiving Day, all stock markets were closed on Thursday and finished their work at 1 p.m. on Friday. As there was no news from the USA, the data from other countries boosted the Wall Street sentiment. Thus, in Germany, business confidence index as measured by the IFO rose unexpectedly to 101.4 in November from 100 points in October, having managed to overbeat the forecasts of indicators' fall. Besides, China disclosed the report on manufacturing activity, which according to HSBC grew for the first time in 13 months. American retail sector was in focus on Friday, marking the beginning of the Christmas shopping season. These days traditionally called Black Friday. Today the attention should be paid to the US marketplace, in particular to the Amazon.com stocks, the largest electronic commerce company, as they can show significant movements during today's session due to increased online shopping activity. Last week, the company's quotes edged up 6.5%, with the closing price hitting $239.88 on Friday. The beginning of online discounts generated steady growth. Apart from this, Research in Motion Limited papers grew by 14%. Investors are quite optimistic about BlackBerry 10 smartphone. What is more, RAM stocks were higher in price on Thursday in Toronto due to the report from National Bank. The data revealed that the sales of BlackBerry 10 with its new operating system can reach 35.5 billion units during the next financial year. Earlier, the analysts were awaiting the reading of 31.5 billion units. This was the latest review of Forex and stock markets prepared for you by our InstaForex team. Thank you and goodbye.